Ito yung bus na sinakyan namin. And yun, kasama. Ayan, doon.
Others, China for the Hong Kong people is more busy, right?
Yes.
In the weekend, lots of the Hong Kong people they come here for holiday.
Yeah.
Why? Shenzhen cheaper, China cheaper. Hong Kong is very expensive.
Yes.
I give you one example. Pedicure, manicure, like the jelly, how much in Hong Kong? 200, 300 up, right? You know the price in Shenzhen?
100?
50.
Oh, 50? So cheap.
So cheap, yeah. You buy one water in the Disneyland, how much?
600.
No, one water in the Disneyland. One water. 28, 30, right?
20 to 30.
You're some tourists, maybe you just been there. 30. So we are scared. If no water, how can we do 30, 30? I need for one day, 120. If 120, I buy some other things, right?
Yes.
We're thinking like this. But when we go there, 8 yuan, 10 yuan, like you buy from 7-Eleven, cheaper than 7-Eleven. When we go to Yinxian, like this. Like the, if you pay 15 Chinese yuan, you got the bubble tea, lemon tea. Yeah, one water is only 8, 10, something like this. So cheap. And then the Hong Kong people also, they come here. A Shangri-La Hotel, 5-star. Everyone you knows? Shangri-La Hotel, right?
How much?
If you go there, eat one dinner, how much for one person?
Maybe 5? No.
1,000?
500.
500?
Yeah.
You know in Shenzhen,
500
near the border, there is one Shangri-La. Same Shangri-La, a 5-star hotel.
How much?
If you pay 1,500, you can stay inside overnight.
Wow.
And for this overnight, for this 1,500,
Breakfast?
including overnight for 2 person,
Wow.
including dinner.
Wow. Ito yung restaurant kung saan kami kakain. Ito. Tapos, ang dami na natapos. Ano kanyang ano din. Table 4. Where are we going? Aray ko. Oh, aakyat tayo, yeah. Ito kami kakain. Ito lang muna pagkain namin.
Tama.
Yay! Here we are! Welcome to Yinshan Resort here in Shenzhen. So, ito na umpisa ng lakad. Let's go, guys! Xinyan! Dito na kami, Xinyan Resort. Saan kami galing, guys? Over there. May bike pa sila. Hindi mo nadala? Ang silbi ng dinala mo yung ano? Hindi mo ganito yan?
Wala, hindi ko naman pala dali.
Ay, nasa bus?
Nasa baba.
Ah, okay naman. Sino yan? Mamaya pa daw, mamaya daw. Let's go there first. Orient muna tayo. Marami naman tayong time, more than 3 hours. Makinig muna tayo kay guide. Let's wait guide first.
Yes, to one.
6-1. Kita ko 6-1.
2-1.
2-1.
Okay, 2-1 here. Okay, so where is 2-2 here?
2-2. 2-2.
3-1. 3-1.
1, okay, present, okay. 3-2. 3-3. Okay.
Ah.
Ate, anak ka lang.
症及酗酒或其他不适宜游玩的游客，谢绝上桥。1名以下儿童可免票，1名5以下的儿童及65岁以上长者需持票，全员陪同游玩。游玩过程中如有不适，请马上与工作人员联系。高跟鞋及滑轮设备严禁上桥。上桥后严禁起步走、奔跑、跳跃等危险方式通行。同行方式为单向行走。感谢您的配合，祝您和睦愉快。亲爱的游客朋友们，欢迎来到野溪。
Wag kang tumingin sa baba, te.
为了您的游玩安全，游玩前请自行评估您的身体状况，含有心脏病、高血压、
Takot siya. Nauna kasing tingin niya sa baba. Glass Bridge. Guys, Glass Bridge to Glass Bridge of China. Ayun tayo, andito tayo. Sariling sikap na tong video kasi super busy sila at sariling sikap na. At diba, ito yung Glass Bridge. Wow. Diba, mas ganda dito.
含有心脏病、高血压、恐高症及酗酒或其他不适宜游玩的游客，谢绝上桥。1名以下儿童可免票。
Oh, wow.
1名以下的儿童及65岁以上儿童及65岁以上长者需持票，全员陪同游玩。游玩过程中如有不适，请马上与工作人员联系。高跟鞋及滑轮设备严禁上桥。上桥后严禁齐步走、奔跑、跳跃等危险方式通行。同行方式为单向行走。感谢您的配合，祝您游玩愉快。亲爱的游客朋友们，欢迎来到隐贤山庄玻璃桥游玩。为了您的游玩。
Finally, dito na ako sa Glass Bridge dito sa Shenzhen. Tara! Let's see the view and enjoy. Tignan nyo guys. Yung iba takot na takot. Yung isa kanina, so hinatid hanggang doon. So ako naman, ito, adventure talaga to the extreme. So guys, let's go. Takbo! Hala! Takbo! Pero matibay naman to guys, yung yung glass nito. Triple daw. Basta super tibay daw. Kahit magtakbo-takbo ka, hindi siya magka-crack. Tsaka may safety net naman dyan sa gilid-gilid. Basta hindi ka takot sa heights, okay lang yan. Lakad-lakad lang. Ang technique is don't look down. Kasi pag nakita mo nakakamangha, medyo mataas-taas. Pero, okay lang. Dati naman. Buti nga maaraw ngayon, so ang ganda ng view hanggang dun. Makasama ka dun pa. Sige
Okay,
pa.
now we're going to kabundukan naman. May konting hike. Then, galing kami dun sa Glass Bridge. Ganda guys, nature. Yinshan Resort. So, kung gusto sumakay doon, pwede naman sa mga car.
Kasi ituturo nga yung Snow World. Tapos ano yung pag-iwanan?
Andito na tayo lahat.
Tapos pinakala sa pari. Sa pari ang first. Bago ka pari.
Doon na sila sa unahan. Over there.
Panindigan natin to. Ginusto natin eh. Ginusto natin pagpahuli eh. Kasi kung kami yung kipay mo, kaya gusto ka kayo.
游客朋友们，你们好，请小心台阶，照顾好身边的小孩及长者，祝您游玩愉快。
Lavender Garden. Gora? Let's go! Done photo.
Gusto ko dito, be! Dali ka lang. Unang kita, dali.
Wow, bear.
Nag-picture ka?
Dito. Video po na ako. Kaya naghahanap ako ng wet tissue ko. Wow, ang ganda dito. Gusto ko din, oh.
Ay, ate. Ate, me.
Wait ka muna, lies ka dyan. May nagpipicture. Ah.